our SDS, together with our Congresswoman Maricar Zamora, of course, to hand in the cash prize to our winners of the District 2 Bench Yell competition. So, nag-picture po sila kadali.
Yes, Sir Marky. And also, we would like to remind our teachers nga naa pa tayo parako.
Yes, tama na ma'am. Nga og wala mo naging o matawag inyong pangalan, kamo yung makadaog. Of course, we'll forgive the award or the prize and we'll give it nakapanglaan din sulod sa gymnasium.
Mamaya after sa announcement ng ating mga winners for our bench, yells and cheers, magpa-play po ang ating RM band at ipag-flash po sa ating LED screen kung sino yung mga nanalo sa ating cellphones and electric fan.
And at this point in time, we'd like to request also our public schools district supervisor to please come on stage kay kamo ang claim sa cash prize.
That's right.
Of course, consolation prize, malagdan paldo na sir. Ilang
That's
ganito?
right. We're gonna have 7 consolation prizes. That is worth 70,000 pesos.
Ayan.
Ayan yung ating 4 cellphones at 4 electric fans per district po ang makakatanggap doon. So, bali may 8 tayo na teachers per municipality ang makakatanggap. Ayan.
Ayan, ulitin ko po, may request a representative from the 10 districts. If wala po yung PSDS, to please come on stage para makuha agad natin yung cash prize. Ayan.
Okay, Sir Marky.
Okay. Let us start with our first consolation prize. Goes to
Ayan.
from the District of Mato South. PSDS of the Mato South District to claim the 14,000 pesos. Congratulations, Mato South District. So, paldong-paldo na sa 70,000 pesos.
Panalo pa rin.
Another consolation prize goes to Leon North District.
Laak North District.
Back North District.
May request representative from the Laak North District.
Any representative na lang po ng Laak North. Ito si Ma'am. Ito na si Ma'am. Ayan.
Congratulations.
Yes, let's move on to our next district na makatanggap ng consolation prize. Tatanggapin na lang ni Sir. On behalf for Laak North District. Our next recipient of the consolation prize is from Pantukan South District. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Okay, let's And the prize, of course, for our winner is 110,000 pesos.
And the second will have 95,000 pesos.
The winner, the champion for our Dance Yells and Cheers in the celebration of our Division 1 Teachers Day. I am Distrito 1.
Congratulations, last of you on examine. That means second place is the Congratulations